Hello students, how are you? I am Bhuvan Kunyal from Rajiv Gandhi Navodaya Vidyalaya and I am PGT in English. आपके यहाँ lecturer कहते हैं and we are PGT here in Rajiv Gandhi Navodaya Vidyalaya. Today we will study the section A, that is reading section. In that reading section, we have a topic called note making. It is very simple, very interesting and very juicy as far marking is concerned in your board exam. So if you will listen the topic very carefully, you will surely learn how to make an effective note. So we move to the board to understand our note making. First I write note making. What is a note? You buy notebooks. The term come from your syllabus. You get this term. You use this term every day. No need to make an explanation of this term note because your notebook suggests the meaning of this term note. The note making and summarizing is the 2 points that come together in a question. Today we will cover only this note making. The note making is actually a sort of write-up that we make for ourselves. It is a process in which we analyze and then synthesize. The synthesis of all that we need from a given passage. Perhaps the terms are very heavy. What is analysis and what is synthesis? So I will explain it further. You are given a paragraph of, a passage of 500 to 600 words comprised of different paragraphs. There you have to find out the important points. In our common language, we call it important points. But which point is important and which point is not important? This is to understand. For this, we'll have to depend on our reading, on our comprehension, what we have understood from the passage. As you know, that the passage in which you have to make a note has different paragraphs. Why we write in paragraphs? Why don't we write a single passage without paragraphs? No idea. The paragraphs actually represents idea. One paragraph means one idea or more idea relevant to that one idea. 5 paragraph means the passage might have different 5 viewpoints, different 5 sub-ideas under that one topic. That's why we call heading and subheading. The main idea and sub-idea, relevant idea. If the topic is about global warming or coronavirus, COVID-19. So if I'm writing the origin, the structure of the virus and how it spreads, how to prevent. So these are the different sub-idea under the main idea, COVID-19. It's prevailing nowadays, so this came to the mind. So what we are doing, when we make the note on that COVID-19, suppose. So what we need to understand, from this form of writing is concerned, as far as this form of writing is concerned, we divide our note into 2 parts. This is, one is format and second one is content. Format and content. What is format? Format is actually a frame. Suppose I take a picture with my mobile. So what I do, before saving it, sometime I used to give or I like to give some frames to it. कभी कभी होता है हम मोबाइल से क्लिक करते हैं और फिर क्या करते हैं, उसको अलग अलग फ्रेम में डालते हैं। कोई हार्ट शेप का होता है, कोई डायमंड शेप का होता है, कुछ ट्रायंगल शेप का होता है। सो दैट आर means that is called the frame. So every sort of writing, I will teach you a topic every day, and this term format and content will come repeatedly. The format is the design in which we have to make a note, and the content is what will be inside that design. ड्राइंग में करता है ना कि साड़ी किनारे का डिजाइन बनाओ और फिर उसमें रंग भरो। तो साड़ी किनारे का डिजाइन होगा तो सबका ऐसा ही, लेकिन रंग सब अपनी मर्जी से भरेंगे। सिमिलरली द फॉर्मेट विल बी सेम फॉर ऑल, and the content will be your creativity, your level of understanding, your level of learning, your level of knowledge. So as far format is concerned, we divide a note into 3 parts: 1, 2 and 3. In these 3 parts we have, the first one is the titling. Title. What is title? And who will give the title? You are given a passage. Remember this. You have to find out the title. If you understand the passage, you only then can give title to your note. The title should be catchy, should be the face of your note. Gandhi ji, the father of the nation. If I say Gandhi ji, the father of the nation, it explains everything. And if I write Gandhi ji, which Gandhi? There are so many Gandhi. So your title should be very catchy, very expressive, and should be the face of your note. If I say Gandhi ji, the father of the nation, it means I will talk only about his being father of the nation, his contribution to the country. I will not talk about his life and his studies and his achievements. I will only give his sacrifices. It means I have reflected the face of my note in the title. That's why special marks are given in your board examination if you have given a appropriate title to your note. After title, this is first. Second one is numbering. Numbering, because you have to read the passage, you have to take out the points, and you have to arrange those points. You cannot write here and there in a new paragraph. You will have to give the numbering to the point according to their sequence in the passage. Passage में जो sequence है, उसी sequence पे आप ideas को लेके आते हैं. Trick मैंने बता दी है. If the passage is comprised of 5 paragraphs, so it is sure there are 5 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose there are 5 paragraphs in a passage. You have to make the note. So you will take 1 point, the essence of a paragraph. Essence का मतलब है कि उसमें जो प्राण है उस पूरे पैराग्राफ की, ग्रामर में हम उसे टॉपिक सेंटेंस कहते हैं. You will take that topic sentence, you will take that single idea in point number 1, first paragraph. Suppose the single idea needs to be elaborated with the help of some sub ideas. Gandhi ji, father of the nation, he sacrificed his whole life for the society of our country. He uplifted the poor and peasants. He was a Messiah, he was an angel who went door to door to aware people about sanitation and education. ये एक पैराग्राफ मैंने ऐसी बना लिया. सो उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन आया अवेयरनेस में, सैनिटेशन में, हाइजीन। सो फादर ऑफ द नेशन का क्या कहेंगे? कंट्रीब्यूशन, एंड देन सैनिटेशन, एंड देन awareness. So these are the sub points. If you feel that there are again some points under the sub points, so then you will write 1.2.1, 1.2.2. This rarely happens, but you should know this. If you feel that the paragraph is long, is lengthy, and you are going to make on that lengthy paragraph, and this is very important to give these sub points. So the first point is 1. The sub point of 1 is 1.1 and 1.2. 1.2 needs 2 more points. So this will be the number formatting. Some of the books, in some of the books, you will find that people are writing A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, then A, B, C, D. It makes a bit confusion. These are acceptable for the examiners, for the teachers, but it makes confusion that now you can see these all are having 1 in the beginning. So they are covering the idea number 1. Then I'll move to the 2. And then I will write here the topic. If there are sub points, then I will write 2.1, 2.2. Or then I'll go to 3. I will write the point, and then 3.1. 3.2. If there is any sub points here, then I will write here 3.2.1, 3.2.2. Is this the note? No. We need to write inside these points. ये नंबरिंग करके आ गए तो 0 मिल जाएगा. जो पैराग्राफ में आपने पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 is this. This is my para number 1. This is my para number 2. This is my para number 3. But para number 3 means I'll have to write down the point here, 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 and here. Because we do not have a time to make a note here, to get a long passage, to read it, to understand it, and then to make a note. Because the time is very short, you can practice this at your classroom with your friends and with your teachers. But here I'm giving you only the hint. So this is point number 1, Gandhiji's contribution, this, and then under this idea, this. This is called numbering. After giving a numbering, this format, one thing you would have noticed that it would look beautiful if you will make this sequence as well. So your note will tell that the student knows very well, and your work will look very tidy. बहुत साफ सुथरा काम लगेगा अगर इस नंबर को आप फॉलो करेंगे इस तरह से पैटर्न बना के. और यहाँ लिखना है, अगेन टू रिमाइंड यू हिंदी, यहाँ पॉइंट लिखने हैं आपने. गांधी जी का कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या था इंग्लिश में जो आपने पढ़ा है, उन पॉइंट्स को पहले पैराग्राफ में जो मिला वो यहाँ, सेकेंड में ये, और थर्ड में. So you cannot only write number and coming back to home and say that I have made the note. It will be wrong. The third one is keywords. Keywords. अब ये keywords क्या होते हैं? We also call them abbreviation. So abbreviation और keywords means क्यों जरूरत पड़ती है इसको समझने के लिए थोड़ा नोट मेकिंग की थोड़ा और डिटेल में जाते हैं. Note making is comprised of 3 things: reduce, record, review. 3 R's. These 3 R's are called reduce, record, and review. If the passage has 600 words, so our note should not be more than 200 words. Means the size of note should be 1/3 of the paragraph. So suppose this is my passage. So my note size should be this, almost 1/3. For this, we do reducing. I will reduce this 70%. Then I will record it. Record means I will write it. I will write those points I have taken. अब reduce का मतलब ये नहीं कि कहीं से भी delete कर दो और कुछ भी ले आओ उठा के. Reduce means what is important. अब आजकल गेहूं कट रहे हैं, तो गेहूं का एक प्लांट हम जो पका हुआ गेहूं की बाली है उसका प्लांट लेते हैं, तो क्या करते हैं, वही नोट मेकिंग है. देखिए क्या करते हैं उसमें. We take the plant, we process it, we get the grain and we keep the straw away. फेंकते नहीं है, वो जानवरों के काम आता है straw. We keep the straw away, we take the grain only. Similarly, the passage is like the plant of the barley or wheat. जौ या गेहूं का जो प्लांट है वो क्या है, वो 600 वर्ड्स हैं, और जब इतने बड़े प्लांट्स हमें उस बाली से गेहूं कितना मिलेगा, लिटिल. Similarly, we will get the notes in the form of grains. तो दानों के फॉर्म में हमने ले लिया, बाकी अलग है. So similarly, reducing what is unnecessary. अब unnecessary क्या होता है? Examples, details, unnecessary explanation, data, because they are given to prove the idea. India is the most populated country. It has second most populated country, and it has such and such number of people. अब हमने वो number of people क्यों दिया? To prove that India is second most populated country. So I need not to give the proof here because I am making notes for myself so that I could recollect the things that I have learned in the past. ये नोट मेकिंग एग्जाम के लिए ही नहीं है, आप अपने क्लासरूम में इसे यूज कीजिए. अदर सब्जेक्ट्स के नोट्स इस फॉर्मेट में बनाइए. You will find that you have sum up your 16-20 pages chapter in a one page. And when you will read your note, everything, all the 20 pages will be before your eyes. So this is very, very useful thing, making notes. All the people who are preparing for the exams, for competitive exams, use the notes. And the note making doesn't mean just copy out the book on your notebook. इसका मतलब है कि आप वही लें जो आपको चाहिए. आपको चुनना आना चाहिए. वही जो चुनना आने की एक क्वालिटी है, that helps us to understand how to make notes. अब आपने reduce कर दिया. After reducing, you record it. Record means the ideas, those have been very useful, those have been vital in the paragraphs, will be written down. उनको लिख लिया आपने. Record करने के बाद then review it. फिर review करना है. If there is any repetition, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं point number 1 और point number 1.2 and point number 2.1 में एक ही बात आ रही है. This is called review. So you will review your note to amend it and give it a final say. अब इस सब में हमें कीवर्ड्स की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी? अब हम क्या करते हैं कि ये तो हमने रिड्यूस कर दिया, उसको 30% पे लिया. Still some of the words are very common in abbreviation. Some of the words have universal abbreviations. कुछ ऐसे हैं जिनको हम खुद बना सकते हैं, तो वो एब्रिविएशन यूज करते हैं. सो टू मेक अ कंप्रेस्ड शॉर्ट नोट. नोट जितना शॉर्ट होगा उतना ही क्रिस्पी होगा, उतना ही अच्छा होगा. तो शॉर्ट करने के लिए हम इन कीवर्ड्स का यूज करते हैं. कीवर्ड्स में सपोज मैंने यहां पे लिखा फॉर्मेट, या कहीं पे हमारे पास आ गया फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कहीं पे हम लिख रहे हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल. यहां पे मैंने लिखा सपोज यहां पे मैंने लिखा फॉर एग्जाम्पल. उसको मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूं? इजी. यहां पे लिखूंगा इजी. कहीं पे आ गया ₹10,000, सो रुपीज एंड आगे हम लिखेंगे 10,000. यहाँ पाया rupees, so I will write rupees 10,000. These are only examples I'm giving you. I'm not making any note. I'm giving you how to make the note. So, suppose we have very popular signs like O2. O2 or oxygen. If you are writing somewhere, it is a topic on environment. So you can write O2, oxygen. So it will minimize your note, and you will give the explanation of all these short forms here. Suppose you have WHO, World Health Organization. So instead of writing the whole word World Health Organization, you write WHO. Suppose you have used it here, WHO. Suppose here you got this term. Again, the same term repeated here. You write WHO, and then you will give the explanation under this keywords. इस keywords में आप इसका explanation देंगे. तो आपके नोट मेकिंग के कितने पार्ट हो गए? टाइटल, नंबरिंग, कीवर्ड्स. और जो कंटेंट था, वो कंटेंट क्या था? वो ये है. आपको रीड करना है. यू रीड द कंटेंट, यू रीड द पैसेज, you reduce it with the help of these all devices. You reduce it, you exclude the example, you exclude the details, you exclude the definitions, you only get the ideas. सबसे important बात बता रहा हूं इसमें, जो note making है, it is not written in sentences, it is written in phrases. Helping verbs को हम skip कर देते हैं. If I writing that Gandhiji is considered as the father of India. So Gandhiji dash father of India. No need to write is considered. When you will see the note, you will automatically understand, you yourself understand that it means Gandhiji is the father of our nation. So by this you can make the note. Remember again, to remind you, in these points, you will not write the full sentences. Only phrase, only words marked by dash where there is a gap, and then your note is done in the form like title here, title, here your points, and here your keyword. So this will be your note making. Hope you would have understood this. This is a long topic. It takes 2 or 3 classes to go into all the details. कम समय में जरूरी नहीं था, कम समय में जरूरी ये नहीं था कि सब बताया जाए. जरूरी ये था कि जितना जरूरी है कम से कम वो तो बता दिया जाए. So these things you have been taught. Hope you will make a practice. Today you make a note. If you practice today, then you will get the full benefit of your class. If you do the same thing after 2 or 3 days, you will forget what has been instructed to you. So thank you very much for watching. Next time you prepare for summary, I'll teach you summary.